Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Good morning. Good Friday morning. Hey, just wanted to come real briefly and share with you guys some just some morning information that'll help you get on your way and help you get off to work. Put some things on your mind. Hey, at the end of this video, I'm going to ask you guys to do me a favor. I'm going to keep this one really short. Good morning to everyone. I'll get to you guys in a minute. First, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Also know that this is brought to you by Stock Up University. You guys know it's brought to you by me. Come and learn and earn. The more you learn, the more you earn. What are you waiting for? What you waiting for? Just download it and let's get that going. And then lastly, you guys still know that a lot of you have downloaded the Moo app, but you haven't funded it. Make sure you put a deposit in there, a minimal of $100, so you could get going and get your free stock. But more important, you guys know I'm going to start a portfolio there. So it takes a little time after you put your deposit in. Let's go. All right. So on briefly yesterday. All right. Good morning, good people. There you go. On yesterday, and then I'm going to read some news to you guys. You know what? Let's just talk about this. Today, if the Dow closes today green, it will be the 10th consecutive day. I got these allergies. You guys can see my eyes. If the Dow closes positive today, it will be the 10th consecutive day. All right? Which means that we're due for a slight pullback, a slight correction. So just keep that in mind as you trade. Let's see where the Dow is now in the pre-market. Look at this, good people. The Dow is up. It just jumped up here recently. It was down at first and now it's up. All of the indices are up, the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ, right? So govern yourselves accordingly. Now, for those of you that haven't been watching my last couple of videos, which was pure fire, and as you know, a lot of people made a lot of money, didn't get a lot of views. So I'm gonna ask you guys to do me a favor at the end of this, right? So I said that if the days that I'm trading, which I do not trade every day, if you look at my last video, I will leave it in the pinned comment, so you guys will see that that was following me these last couple of days, that I pinned this comment to the top of yesterday's video. Well, you know, when I had a suit on, right? I had a suit and shorts. I didn't even put my pants on. I put some shorts on so I can get you guys this info. So check this out, good people. So at least 21 people saw it. But this is what I said. My latest update, all of my Carvana sold. And then I got back in. I showed you where I got back in and all of that, right? So you can go back there and take a look at it. But let's see what else is going on. Let's talk about some things, because I'm going to make this one short. And then I'm going to ask you guys all to do me a favor. All right? DWAC. Let's look at DWAC. DWAC is up in the pre-market, and it was up bigly. As you can see, it's cooling off now. It's cooling off now. DWAC is the SPAC that Truth Social will be merging with, okay? Truth Social will be merging with DWAC. That's why it's up. And you guys do know that I have been buying some puts, but it is moving up, right? Based on this information, and it will soon cool off, right? So that's what's going on with Truth Social. So let's see what's happening. Here's what's happening. SPAC seeking to merge with Trump's Truth Social media company settled with the SEC. So the SEC had a complaint against the SPAC, and they settled the case. You guys can go in and read more in depth, but they settled the case on yesterday. And because of that, in the pre-markets, it's not even open yet. Here's what's happening. So I expect that opening bell. Be careful with DWAC. I expect with opening bell, it will run up and then cool off, right? And so all of the people that are trading it in the pre-market, a lot of people are taking profits. They will take profits now. All right. So let me show you guys this. Here's another one I want you guys just to put on your radar. I'm not saying don't go and run and buy it. I haven't studied it yet. Put this one on your radar. GFAI. Of course, it looks like a play on AI. Now, as you could see, the stock was up a few minutes ago, 57% just in the pre-market. Just in the pre-market, right? But then the warrants are up, of course, almost twice as much, 107%. So just put that one on your radar, monitor it, Guard Force AI, right? And we will do a deeper dive into it, but it was just on the pre-market. I saw it on the ticker. I just wanted you guys to put it on your radar. Yes, this is Paisley Shirt Friday. Do not adjust your TV. I am wearing a Paisley shirt, right? That's what we do here, all right? So what else info I got for you guys? All right, Google, let's see. Okay, all right. There was something else I wanted you guys to keep here's another one. No, I don't want you to do that. That's pharmaceutical right there, and that's over counter. It's too risky, good people. So I'm going to I also want you to put Chewy on your radar. Chewy, I want you guys to just watch that because there's a major investor in Chewy, and Chewy may start to turn around. CHWY, let's check that out. CHWY. See here in the pre-markets, Chewy is up $2.50 at this time, and it was up earlier, right? Look at what it did in the pre-markets. It jumped up all the way up to $37. Actually, yeah, $37.66, and now it's starting to cool off, right? Chewy is cooling off, but it may be going up later. So keep your eyes on that. I just wanted to front load and give you guys all of this information. So a lot of people are asking about Tesla. And Tesla could be in a cool off phase, okay? Tesla could, let's see where it is now. And I don't mean a lot, even though it's probably up now. So here we go. Yeah, Tesla 262. Actually, Tesla is about where I thought it would come down to. I thought Tesla would come down to around 260-ish. And right now, Tesla is 262. It cooled off. You guys know I did my first put on Tesla. I never short Tesla, but I did. So Tesla's 262. I thought it would probably come down to 260-ish, but I would not be shorting Tesla at this point because Tesla could turn around. It's too close to where I think it would come down to. Tesla could turn around and rally at the bell. And I don't mean spike up, but I would not be shorting Tesla. If you want to do it, that's on you. You do you. I'm not doing it. Now, I did that one put option on Tesla, which means I was shorting Tesla just to prove a point because I thought that they would have lackluster earnings, which they did. But I only did one contract because I'm not playing with Tesla. Okay. So we talked about that. But Apple, on the other hand, could be going up. All right. I think Apple still has a little more steam left in it to go up. As you could see, Apple is pretty flat right now. Look at that. It opened high. Look at that. This isn't a pre-market, so it didn't open yet. The pre-market, it ran up as much as 196, and now it's cooling off. All right. So let's keep an eye on Apple long term. Now, we know that all tech Big tech is expensive right now, but I just want to keep your eye on Apple. Tesla is in a phase where it's kind of descending a little bit, and Apple is in a phase where it's ascending a little bit. So I want you guys to keep your eyes on all of that. All right. So I'm going to ask you guys to do me a favor. I can't look at all of these, man. I can't look at all of these right now. We'll get into them later on because it takes a deep dive into all of them, that especially all of big tech. Now, one of the things I will tell you is if you're into big tech, which I have a ton of it, I'm going to suggest that you guys keep an eye on it. I just said that the market, the Dow, 10 days, the Dow has closed positive 9 days straight. Okay. That's not normal. That's not normal. I want you to Google. That's your homework. Google the last time that the Dow has closed 10 trading days straight. And you'll be surprised at how far back you're going to go. So let's not get greedy. Let's take profits and let's get our stop losses set. Now, here's the one thing I want you guys to do for me that are watching me live right now, but I want you to post it in the comments after the video has ended. Okay, this is a test. Now, you guys know, brothers, y'all know y'all got that friend. You got a stupid friend when you was young and you had a friend that was cool, right? Like if you go out with your girl, you go out with your boy and you're supposed to be out with your girl and you come back and she finds out that you went to their favorite restaurant and she goes, man, you went to my favorite restaurant? And you go, man, that food wasn't even good. And your boy, your stupid friend goes, man, that food was delicious. What you talking about? And you looking at him like, bro, just follow my lead, right? The smart friend goes, yeah, it wasn't that good, okay? So this is what I'm gonna ask you guys to do. This is very serious for me. I'm running a experiment. Now, if you appreciate me being on this platform, I want you to let me know that you like YouTube. That's what I want you to put down. Don't get deep, people. Well, I wish they didn't. No. Just type in the comments that you like YouTube. And for those of you that are really following what I'm putting down, picking up what I'm putting down, say something like, if you were an advertiser, you definitely would advertise on this platform called YouTube, to which I am grateful for, because if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't be able to get this information out to you guys, and you guys wouldn't be able to make money. That's what I need you to do for me now. All right. Don't just come to the table and eat. I need you to help a brother out. Okay. I can't explain it. But I just want those words to get out in the atmosphere. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. I want this wonderful platform called YouTube to see that you guys are engaged with YouTube. And if you were an advertiser, that you would advertise it. I'm going to personally type in how much I love and appreciate this platform. That's what I need you guys to do for me today. Yes, that's what I need. Yep, that's what I need. That I won't be talking about anything else until I get that feedback, okay? Listen, I'm going to come back to you guys. I'm sorry I won't be able to answer many questions, but I will come back to you guys later on today. Make sure, if you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. And if you haven't hit liked on this one is important. I can't go into details, but if you just would type in how much you love YouTube, and when I come back later today, hopefully I'll have something for you guys that you can make some money. I'll be searching that you guys would help me by saying how much you love YouTube and how much you love the subscribers, not the subscribers, but the advertisers on YouTube. Okay. So I actually do watch a lot of the commercials on YouTube. So if you guys could do that for me today, I will see you later today. All right. Live, love, laugh, learn, and we will continue to earn. Let's make sure we keep those stop losses set.